Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for William W. William, this is the console that you sent in for RGH service. It is a Jasper 16 megabyte. So we RGH'd it using the Matrix V1 without oscillator and the RGH 1.2 method. The LEDs were left default green as none was indicated on your send-in form. We've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, Aurora Dash, all pre-installed on the console. Check out your final confirmation videos in your email there. Check out the video links in your final confirmation email. There's a good one to a playlist by XX Modded Warfare that'll cover just about anything you could want to do on an RGH. Also, just as a little bit of a note here, your particular console was a little bit oddball, and I made a note here so that you would understand and know. When the standard updflash.bin was built using JRunner, the console would boot Zell, but it would not boot to dashboard. So after a little bit of tweaking, I figured out that what it needed was the power mode in the SMC config, which you can access in JRunner by going to Tools, SMC Editor. It needed it changed to 8380 or 8480. 8480 booted and worked. 8380 actually has been like nearly insta-boot on everything. I hear a lot of people claim that won't affect booting and stuff, but it absolutely does and did on this console. I've booted it a few dozen times at this point just to ensure that it was reliable and stuff, and it is 100% so. So we'll get this thing packed up and headed back out your way tomorrow. Thanks and enjoy.